Imagine walking into a home where the lights set the mood automatically, the curtains glide open without you touching them, and even your wall art changes style with a tap. This isn't science fiction. It's smart home design that's both functional and beautiful. In this video, we're going beyond basic smart home gadgets. Instead of just focusing on convenience, we'll explore creative ways to use smart technology to upgrade your decor and make your space look stunning. Definition: a smart home isn't just about having Wi-Fi connected devices. It's about blending technology with design so that every feature feels intentional, stylish, and seamless in your living space. Why importance? Design-focused smart homes don't just make life easier. They add sophistication, save space, reduce clutter, and even increase your home's value. If you've only used smart tech for utility, it's time to see how it can transform your style. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start with smart lighting that doubles as decor: LED strips under shelves, or color-changing bulbs inside floor lamps. 2. Upgrade window treatments with smart blinds or curtains that pair with sunrise and sunset. 3. Try smart digital frames or wall panels that let you rotate artwork to match your mood or the season. 4. Add voice-controlled smart diffusers or fireplaces for comfort and ambience. 5. Incorporate hidden smart plugs behind furniture to keep cords out of sight while powering discreet decor lighting. Tools explained. You'll need a reliable smart hub or app for central control, smart LED bulbs or strips, motorized curtain systems, digital art frames, and compatible smart plugs. Most of these are plug and play and don't require advanced wiring. Workflow: begin by choosing the room you want to elevate. Install the smart hub first for smooth integration. Add lighting and window automation next, since they create the biggest impact. Then bring in decor-based elements like art frames or accent lighting. Finally, fine-tune the settings with your app to match your preferred moods and schedules. Quick tips: stick to one ecosystem, like Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home, to avoid compatibility issues. Use preset scenes, like movie night or morning routine, to blend decor and convenience. Hide devices and cables wherever possible for a clean, high-end look. Cost comparison: basic smart gadgets like bulbs and plugs start as low as $20. Mid-tier upgrades like smart blinds or art frames may range between $150 and $500. High-end systems with full room automation can reach into the thousands, but you can always start small and scale up. Smart homes don't have to look cold or robotic. With the right setup, technology becomes part of your decor, adding beauty, comfort, and sophistication. If you're ready to transform your space, start with one idea from this guide and build from there.